This is a review of the Swiss Chalet Festive chicken on a bun. This was $17. As you can see, it has a layer of stuffing and chicken with cheese and cranberry mayo at the bottom. It came with a side, which I chose fries. The fries were good, as too was the sandwich. The chicken was tender and perfectly cooked. However, when having the sandwich, the stuffing was overpowering the sandwich itself. Overall, it was a good sandwich, just a bit too much stuffing for me. In the comments, tell me how you tasted this sandwich.